The Samsung Gear VR headset was originally designed to work only with specific Samsung devices. However, it can be used with other phones by bypassing the headset's connector and using a Bluetooth controller. This tutorial outlines the steps and limitations. What the process does, this method uses the Gear VR headset as a passive viewer, similar to Google Cardboard. The phone's own screen and sensors provide the virtual reality experience, while the headset holds the phone in place and provides lenses. The headset's built-in touchpad, buttons, and sensors are not used. Steps to use Gear VR with any phone. First, do not plug your phone into the headset's USB connector. The Gear VR software is designed only for certain Samsung devices and will not work correctly on other phones. Skip the connection completely and keep your phone separate from the port. Next, place your phone into the headset manually. Open the front cover and position your phone inside the cradle so it sits centered in front of the lenses. If the connector gets in the way, flip your phone upside down. Make sure the screen is aligned properly. If your phone feels loose, use a small piece of tape or padding to hold it in place. Before putting the headset on, open a VR app on your phone. Use apps such as YouTube VR or any Google Cardboard compatible app. These apps split the screen into two images, which creates the virtual reality effect. Put the headset on. Since the built-in touchpad and buttons will not work, you will need a Bluetooth VR controller. Connect the controller to your phone and use it to navigate menus, select videos, and control playback. Limitations: you will not be able to access the Oculus Store or official Gear VR apps. The headset's internal sensors will not function, so motion tracking depends only on your phone's built-in sensors, which may be less accurate than the headset's native tracking. You may also need to adjust settings inside VR apps to fix lens distortion or alignment issues. Conclusion: using a Samsung Gear VR headset with any phone involves bypassing the USB connector, manually positioning the phone in the cradle, opening a Google Cardboard-compatible VR app, and using a Bluetooth controller for input. The headset functions as a passive viewer. Official Gear VR features and sensor tracking are not available with non-Samsung phones.